Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you a project right on the Sheikh Zayed, like right next to Sheikh Zayed Road. So all of these towers you can see, we are at Sheikh Zayed Road, only few minutes walk. The name of this community is called Jumeirah Gardens. So this is the exact plot of the project. This you see. This is the second building from the same developer. The construction has not yet started, and the units are starting from 1.1 million. Now I will show you another building by the same developer where the construction is started already, but no units are available in that building from the developer. Now I'll show you the first building which is already sold. So this is the first plot which is already sold out. This is the first project by the same developer. You can have a look at the pace of construction of this project, and the construction quality you can see in this one. So the construction is going on here full-fledged, on full speed. The construction is going on. So it's also in Jumeirah Garden City. Same location. Metro is not far away. You can go on to reach metro on walk. You can walk till metro, and you can see it's on Sheikh Zayed Road, especially for the people. This is a very good place for the tourist. This location will attract the tourists a lot, because right next to that location, approximately right next here, Burj Khalifa is approximately in that location. So you are on Sheikh Zayed Road, you have metro there. So this and you can see that this area is developing. For example, you see this building under construction, and that one, if you can see. And this is also a plot. Not sure if the construction started for this plot yet or not. This construction, you can see that. There you have another building upcoming. So this location will be developed, and a lot of construction is going on in this area. So let me know if you want to know more and see this another one. I missed this one. I can see that they might be building something on this plot as well. So a lot of construction is going on. This area is changing. Before it was and also one of the best part of this area which I like is Jumeirah Garden City is all the buildings you will see will be G+8, like no high floors, no tall skyscrapers you will see in this area. So that's what it makes this area very peaceful.